Alright, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today we are featuring a couple of subdivisions in our playlist series of places to live in Andoer City or Mabalacat here in the Pampanga area. And today's focus is on a subdivision named Fairgrounds Subdivision. They have the subdivision is about 6 years old, but there's still properties available. There is still land available there, and we're going to feature a couple of the homes, a townhome and a freestanding villa. So we are joined by one of their representatives today, so come on for the ride and we're taking you up there right now. We have done a series of videos prior to this one. We call it Places to Live in Pampanga, Andoer, Mabalacat, and today we're going to feature a little, not a little actually, it's a pretty big development. We looked at the map the other day, and today we are together with one of their representatives, and we're going to take a walk up in there and show you a new development, and the name of it is the Fairgrounds, correct?
Yes, sir.
It's Fairgrounds.
Fairgrounds and Brentwood Village.
Brentwood Village?
Brentwood Village.
Brentwood Village, okay, so we are going to head that way right now. So when did the development start here of this? How many years?
This Brentwood, sir, almost 20 years.
20 years?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's an older development. And the Fairgrounds?
Fairgrounds are around 6 to 8 years.
6 to 8 years. Are they still building new homes up there?
Yes, still building, sir.
Yeah, still constructing new homes. So Fairgrounds is down that way, or Fairgrounds is up here also?
No, Fairgrounds is here outside. Close the entrance.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is where you went, right?
Yeah.
We drove by here the other day and had a little look at it. Yeah, so this road is coming straight off MacArthur. What's the name of the road?
Mawaki Road.
Mawaki?
Barangay Mawaki.
Okay. All right, so here we're coming out. All right. Security.
Yes, so Brentwood and the Fairgrounds for now are utilizing the same security gate.
Okay, so this is the Fairgrounds down this way. Okay. And there is walkways. Infrastructure is here.
And this is inside the Fairgrounds. So when you get in, Fairgrounds is to the right and the Brentwood is to the left.
Okay, so the lots
Almost sold out.
Oh, okay. So this is almost sold out? Yeah, it's incredible how much construction is going on all over.
This one is house and lot.
House and lot on this side?
Yes.
And all this is new production here on the left-hand side there, huh? Well, it's a pretty big area, actually.
That one is nice.
When it's fully built out, how many homes will you have in here? Do you know?
Because this side, sir,
Right.
all like this model of house.
Oh, okay. So this is one model.
Yeah, and there's a model house of Malaysia, and this side also same house also.
Okay. I'm sorry? Oh, Belicia. That's the model home. And that's Belicia. Let's see if we can get it in there.
Floor area 90 square meter,
90 square meter,
main lot 130 square meter,
130 square meter lot. So,
balcony 3 square meter.
right? Oh yeah, okay. So you have a 3-meter balcony up there in front of the house. And we're gonna go inside and take a look. If the door is open, there you go.
One big room.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent living area.
Yeah.
I like it. Right. The back washroom. They can. Right. Yeah. So the lot is. Lot is pretty big. A lot of times you have more square footage inside the house than outside. It's a pretty big lot, 130 square meters. So that's yeah. Let's take a little look at it, and nice decorated little kitchen table, and we're gonna wipe our feet, and then we go upstairs there. Oi! Oi, oi, oi. The wind is... So this is a 3-bedroom, right?
Bedroom, 1 bathroom upstairs.
Okay.
Room downstairs.
All right. So,
It's pretty good.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's,
Pretty nice.
yeah. Decent. And what's the price on these? On this one?
Around 4,000, almost 4,400, sir. Peso. 4 million.
4 million.
Yeah.
4.4. 4.4 million. So what that would do in US dollars, that would be almost 80,000 US dollars, or somewhere around there, 85,000 US dollars. All right, let's take a quick look, move back in here. All right,
It's the master bedroom.
so this is the master bedroom, I'm assuming.
I like the bathroom.
Bathroom is visible.
So they have a little access to the bathroom as well. Simple sink.
Yeah, pretty big.
Yeah. Yep. Nice little balcony to have morning coffee. All right, so there's construction going on a little bit everywhere down over here. And from the balcony you have mountain view back there. You can see the mountains back there.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take a look and go down. That's pretty nice. So I guess this is actually the entrance door. We came in through the side door, yeah. And here's the downstairs bedroom. Smaller bedroom, but and then you have
One bathroom.
another one bath here. We call it half bath if it doesn't have a bathtub. We call it half bath in the United States. But it does have shower and it looks pretty nice. That house over there has a big balcony up there.
Yeah, the owner he make the balcony.
Yeah. Oh, the owner made it themselves?
Yeah, yeah.
So they added to it,
He buy only like this,
right?
and then after he pay the down payment,
Yeah.
and he make this extension.
So he extended it himself. And are they allowed to extend almost all the way to the road if they wanted to, so they could actually make a little, and they can make a carport on the side and that kind of stuff?
Within
Yeah, within your boundaries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The very newest development. Who is the contractor?
So this is my company, sir. My
Oh.
company they will construct the unit here.
Oh, okay.
Look, this one same as a model house, but
Yeah.
he extend.
Right.
He divide this.
That's actually pretty nice. Some people are creative,
Yeah.
but it looked nice.
Also this one, which is on this side.
Yeah, somebody did their own little touch to it.
Also this one.
Yeah, this one here too. Yeah. Put garage doors right in front. All right, so then you have the other one, Brentwood. You said it is.
You want to say the brand?
Okay. We'll take a look at it, just so we can show people
Yeah.
what's here.
There is a townhouse here. You want to say?
Townhouses?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. These are freestanding homes on this side, right? And then you have, what do you say, townhomes,
Yeah, townhouse.
townhouses. They're built together
Yeah, same like this.
in a row.
It's I think it's a 6 unit.
Right. So these are all townhomes?
6 unit, they are connected to 6 unit.
Okay.
And this one, this is the smaller one.
The smaller
It's,
ones?
2 units on for duplex.
Right. But I like it, you know, if you compare that to Severa, for instance, everything is tight. It's just like,
Yeah, that's different developers.
it's just like tight. And it gets a cramp.
Yeah,
You know, when
yeah,
it's
yeah.
separated a little bit, it gives a little more feeling of space. And,
They are giving a space the front side and back side.
right. Right. So let's look at this here too. Yeah.
This is our townhouse.
These are the townhomes. Let's see if we can just jump out and get a little. Yeah, so it's like a little fenced-in, blocked-in backyard. I can get the camera out here, I think. We can shoot the camera around. So that's a little blocked-in area, private. And I guess they have a dirty kitchen sink back out there. Yeah. So, townhome. And then let's get upstairs and take a look at it. Three small bedrooms. There's two smaller bedrooms and a little bigger one. I can fit the master bedroom. I fit in my closet at home. Right? But it's a shower, direct connection with the master bedroom. What's the price range on these? 2.2 million pesos. That would be 2 million pesos. That would be about $45,000 for a home like this. You own it, and I guess they pay. Do they have some community fees? They pay in here for community maintenance, security, and other things also.
Yeah, the bank also will pay with the bank. And also there's a government agencies. So
you can pay the developer if you buy it cash?
yeah.
Right? Yeah, that sounds good. And it's about 8 feet ceiling height? Yeah,
And 6.
yeah.
7, maybe.
Yeah, 8.5. So it's a good ceiling height. All right. So this is a little view from overlooking the neighborhood, and construction. Construction is going on here as well, so there's a lot of it going on down there. These guys are pretty good when it comes to polishing the concrete, though. They're very good. Everything is nice and smooth.
The other developer,
Yeah,
they are using the
right. So you have, there's two different developers in the community?
using the precast.
Oh,
This other developer. But
yeah, like Deca Homes. It's all prefabs. And I was up there after the earthquake last year.
Yeah.
A lot of damage. A lot of damage. Yeah. All right, so. Yeah, let's go to Brentwood. All right, guys, that was a little bit about the Fairgrounds Subdivision, and our next video will feature another subdivision that is a little older, but stay tuned for that video. It will come out maybe tomorrow, and we go from there. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.